his outfit.
Santa Claus on tropical island. Tropical Santa Claus. Thank you. Yeah.
Yo, what's up? So we just wake up.
I don't know why I feel a little bit tired.
You know what happened last night, right?
Nothing happened. It was Christmas. I edited
Alright.
video till 2 o'clock at morning. That's it.
Yeah, I think that in the middle of editing video.
Santa Claus
that's
can.
Santa Claus. Alright, so yeah, we already dress up nicely. I can say that because
At
we will
least
have
you.
a morning breakfast, and as you see down there is the restaurant, so we can see from our room people are already having a breakfast.
Yeah,
and that
chilling.
make me so hungry. Smash Nego. So I have today's porridge. This is just appetizer, and this food. So yum. My mouth already watering, and they really care about health protocols, as you see around. And then all you can eat, but the chef or the cook will serve you.
Alright, so we are after breakfast and I'm so full actually, you know. Breakfast so good over here.
Yeah, it's so big breakfast. Well, yeah, we decided now to go to the beach actually because beach access is only for the guests in the hotel. So if you are staying around Nusa Dua area and not the guests, you are not allowed to go to the beach. So this is only private access.
So we have only opportunity while we are staying here, so we have to try. Honey, are you tired?
A little bit, but it's okay. So we already arrived in Nusa Dua beach, and let's see how it is.
Hi, honey. How do you feel?
Oh, so good. Look at that. This is Nusa Dua beach. Actually, so many, I can say that much busier than usual. So many people are having holiday, and right in front of us is Inaya Putri Bali Hotel. So if you have been to Nusa Dua and have been to stay in Inaya Putri Bali, so look at this one. This is the beach. Beautiful.
Nice. You wanna try?
No. So we are in Nusa Dua beach. Yeah, look at this monkey. And this is how Nusa Dua beach nowadays. Many people are having holidays with family. Beautiful. The hotel also many occupancy, many occupied. I mean,
so hot. I don't know who is more tired, me driving on the skateboard or Winnie walking. I think Winnie a little bit more tired of walking. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
We're on the Nusa Dua beach. Quite many people actually over here
like
and
I told
here.
you, Nusa Dua beach is nowadays full of guests on the beach.
Yes.
But if you are coming from outside, so I don't think that it's possible to come.
No, but as you saw in our hotels, quite many people, like local people and everything. So that's why they have access granted to go to the beach, and it's definitely much more alive than a few weeks, months ago. So this is Grand Hyatt Hotel in Nusa Dua. Quite old hotel, but yeah. So this is how it is. I'll show you the beach. So nice. White sand beach. Oh, so cool. Alright, so it's actually very hot, but if you are already here, we decided we're gonna go to water blow.
Yeah.
Water blow or water boom? Water blow.
Water blow.
Yes, water blow. I'm already overheated, you know.
Yeah.
So hot.
So nice.
But it's so nice to be here actually. I know it's actually quite a little bit really like a tourist place, but it's also nice to be everywhere, you know. In Bali it's as nice as you can find the local places, tourist places, resort places, or very wild places. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
You can find everything. How is your condition?
Good.
Tired? That's why you don't talk much, yeah?
So we arrived in the courtyard, kind of club or something, but it's not a club. But you know that every hotel in Nusa Dua, they have a special spot for the guests to chill out. So yeah, this is how it is.
Alright. So hot actually. I told Winnie that going to the beach is not the best idea, but Winnie, I wanna swim on the beach. And now, honey, what did you say? I wanna come back to the hotel, swim in the pool. But look at me, I'm so sweaty, la. Honey, you feel good?
Yeah,
But tired, yeah? Okay. I'll show you quickly how the looks the beach and the area if you're already curious about Nusa Dua. And this place actually belongs to the Courtyard Hotel. Over here is the, how to call, water blow, and here's the beach, some surface. It's quite big, nice beach, but it's literally almost here actually empty, but very nice. I'll show you now.
Well, here right in front of us is the famous water blow in Nusa Dua. Actually, if you've been here, and then yeah, this is how the situation right now. Like I told you before, only guests that can come to Nusa Dua water blow.
And if you're asking how is December weather during Christmas, super hot. Honestly, it's like,
yeah, but today is hot, but few days ago was a big rain.
okay, but it's Christmas and it's hot.
Alright, so yeah, only us here actually.
Yeah.
But normally, like holiday season, this place is full of people. But yeah, the policy right now in Nusa Dua, only guests staying around Nusa Dua are allowed to go to the beach.
Yes.
So yeah, this is a beautiful white sand beach in Nusa Dua. People also surfing here. Nice, very nice. Hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Look at you.
Drink for me. Thank you, honey. Come,
Let's go.
jump in. Oh.
Ooh la la. We are so lucky that you know that courtyard actually has a shuttle bus from the hotel to the beach every 1 hour. So yeah, as you know that the courtyard is, you know, in like in the middle of the Nusa Dua, so it's not a beachfront hotel. But if you want to go to the beach, they have a special shed in the beach, and they have a special shuttle bus that come every 1 hour.
All day long.
Ooh, every day.
I got it from my dad.
Alright, so it's time to check out.
Yeah, so we already picked up all our bags, and then yeah, maybe it's quite short video today, but this is how our Christmas, and the rest of our day we will just chill out.
Just chill out, not
have
recording
our time
anything.
together.
So that's it for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed anyway. One more time for everyone who celebrate Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas for those, all of you, all over the world
All
watching
around the
us.
world.
Thank you. That it has been more than 6 years. It's not 6 years.
but,
That you're watching us.
but will be 6 years maybe in the future. Like always, something new tomorrow at 4 p.m. See ya and take
See you
care.
tomorrow. Bye. Alright. Kasih guys. Kasih. Bye bye.